In late March, the Francis Scott Key Bridge, an iconic part of Baltimore's skyline, was struck by a container ship, the Dolly. The aftermath was nothing short of a disaster movie come to life. 2 victims were quickly rescued, but 6 more were presumed dead, their fate sealed within the mangled wreckage of their red pickup truck. The names of the deceased, Alejandro Hernandez Fuentes and Dorlian Castillo Cabrera, will forever be etched in the city's memory. These men, migrants from Mexico and Central America, were employees of Bronner Builders, leaving behind grieving families and a community in shock. As the initial shock subsided, the focus shifted from rescue to recovery. 4 men remained missing, their whereabouts swallowed by the murky depths of the harbor. The submerged truck, a haunting reminder of the tragedy, became the epicenter of the recovery operations. Meanwhile, in a twist straight out of a courtroom drama, the companies behind the Dolly, Grace Ocean, and Synergy Marine invoked a 2-century-old law to limit their legal liabilities. The 19th century federal law could potentially cap their financial responsibility to a fraction of the ship's pre-collision value. As the legal battles unfold, the fate of the billion-dollar insurance claims hangs in the balance. The Dolly's insurer, Britannia P&I Club, along with the rest of the maritime insurance industry, braces for what could be one of the largest claims in history. The incident has sent shockwaves through the hallowed halls of Lloyd's of London, the oldest insurance exchange globally, where the breeze of every maritime mishap is duly recorded. Today, the Francis Scott Key Bridge stands as a stark reminder of the disaster. Its twisted remains an ongoing challenge for salvage operations. The process of dismantling the wreckage is a precarious balancing act, a game of Jenga with stakes higher than anyone would have ever imagined. As the city of Baltimore begins to heal, the salvage operations continue, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of adversity. The bridge's future remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: this game of Jenga is far from over. The next move will not only determine the fate of the bridge, but also set the course for the city's recovery. The world watches with bated breath, hoping for a resolution to this real-life disaster turned game of Jenga. As we look ahead, we are reminded of the strength and resilience that Baltimore has shown throughout this ordeal. The city, its people, and its spirit are not defined by disaster, but rather by the courage and determination with which they face it. The citizens of Baltimore have proven that they are not just spectators in this game of Jenga, but active participants, working tirelessly to rebuild their city and restore its former glory. The Francis Scott Key Bridge, once a symbol of disaster, is slowly transforming into a symbol of hope and resilience. The salvage operations continue, each piece of wreckage removed a step towards recovery. Each beam lifted a testament to the city's unshakable spirit. The future is uncertain, yes, but it is also filled with promise. The city of Baltimore is not merely surviving, it is thriving, rising from the ashes like a phoenix. The world continues to watch, but now with admiration and respect for the city that refuses to be defined by disaster. In the next scene, we will conclude our story. But remember, this is not the end for Baltimore. It's just the beginning of a new chapter. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support helps us continue to bring you stories of resilience, courage, and hope from around the world.